Five little colorful ducks ran out one day. Out one day, out one day. Five little colorful ducks went out one day to play in the rain. Drip, drop, raindrops fell from the sky, from the sky, from the sky. Drip, drop, raindrops fell from the sky, splashing everywhere. The red little duck went quack, 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 quack. The red little duck went quack, 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 jumping in puddles bright. Four little colorful ducks danced in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Four little colorful ducks danced in the rain with happy flappy feet. The blue little duck splashed left and right, left and right, left and right. The blue little duck splashed left and right under cloudy skies. Three little colorful ducks waddled around, waddled around, waddled around. Three little colorful ducks waddled around, making splashy sounds. The yellow little duck went quack, quack, cheer, quack, quack, cheer, quack, quack, cheer. The yellow little duck went quack, quack, cheer, playing without fear. Two little colorful ducks hid near a tree, near a tree, near a tree. Two little colorful ducks hid near a tree from the rainy breeze. The green little duck hopped in muddy puddles, muddy puddles, muddy puddles. The green little duck hopped in muddy puddles with tiny ducky giggles. One little colorful duck waddled home slow, waddled home slow, waddled home slow. One little colorful duck waddled home slow as rainbows started to glow. Then all five colorful ducks